Artificial intelligence, AI, is one of the most talked about and rapidly advancing technologies of our time. From self-driving cars to intelligent personal assistants, AI is becoming an increasingly important part of our daily lives. But what exactly is AI, and how is it being used today? In this video, we'll explore the basics of AI and its current applications. At its core, AI is the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans. This can include tasks such as problem-solving, decision-making, and even learning from experience. One of the key components of AI is machine learning, which allows machines to learn and improve without being explicitly programmed. Today, AI is being used in a wide range of industries to improve efficiency and accuracy. In healthcare, AI is being used to analyze patient data and make more accurate diagnoses. In finance, AI is being used to detect fraud and make more informed investment decisions. And in transportation, AI is being used to improve traffic flow and make self-driving cars a reality. But the potential of AI goes far beyond these current applications. In the future, AI could help us solve some of the world's most pressing problems, such as climate change and poverty. It could also lead to the creation of new jobs and industries that we can't even imagine yet. However, as with any technology, there are also concerns about the potential negative impact of AI. For example, the widespread use of AI in decision-making could lead to bias and discrimination. Additionally, there are concerns about job loss as machines take over tasks that were previously done by humans. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is a rapidly advancing technology that has the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work. It is already being used in various industries to improve efficiency and accuracy, and the future possibilities are endless. However, it is important to consider the potential negative impacts and regulate its use accordingly.